Hey, who you taking to Meg's funeral?
I'm taking Jill. Wise guy, we're going as friends.
All right, Meg, remember what I taught you.
Relax my throat and make eye contact?
No, the fighting stuff.
Listen, before we start, could you not hit me here? Because these are pretty sensitive. Oh!
He punched her pretty! Ow, he punched her ugly again! Just stop there! Punch Rocky Dennis!
It's okay, guys. I'm at peace with what I'm all about.
Meg, remember what I taught you. Use the gross.
You ready for more?
Are you?
Ugh, your kiss is definitely not on my list.
He's older.
You missed! Oh, what's the matter, Mike? Can't punch a girl in the face? You'd be surprised what my face can do to you!
What's your problem, dude? You've got major issues.
Oh my God, she's crazy!
Did you hear the volleyball team lost in San Diego? All right, you little bitch. It's time to end this thing.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh! Meg won!
Not bad for a loser.
Thanks for your help, Mr. Quagmire. I guess I get to die another day.
Meg, I got a feeling you're gonna be around for a real long time. Come on, let's get out of here.
But I wasn't around for a long time. A year later, my body reacted to a frozen hot dog, and I died of septic shock. I became the public face of internal hot dog defrosting.